Right, and this is Tom, I could help her. That's SamAndAxton, he also has a group. And we're going to do the cola and Mentos.
Most people think it only works.
Like, you only think it works for mint, but it actually works for fruit, and I was like, what the hell?
And that's right. I've got 5 ready here. This will be wrong.
Right, just get them all into your hand first.
Okay.
We did it a minute ago when we needed like 10p to get another bottle of Coke, 'cause it's only like 29p, and we had to ask these random people. Thank God for them. Like, just put them in really quick and then run. Just try and put them all in.
Come first, right? Yeah. In a car.
Put them in quick. Try and put as many in as you can quick. Fucking hell! Oh my God! And that was Coke and Mentos, and they're fruit, remember. Bye!